Hello friends, sometimes things become worse for us. We want to do something, our favorite thing, but we are not able to do or to, if you want to watch your favorite program, you will not be able to watch that program due to some sudden problems. So this is the problem with most of the people. As if you are willing to watch your favorite program that is coming on television, and when it's the time of your program, then suddenly load shedding, the electricity will disappear, then you will feel that why at this moment the electricity has gone. In the same way, when you are about to reach you are about to catch the train left, and when you are about to reach at some place, the person has gone. You are willing to meet with some persons, but when you reach there, people will say he has left just before 2 minutes. So these are kind of tensions, problems are the part of the life, because destiny destiny does not like to make you can say that communication with others, and sometimes you are avoiding a person, you don't want to meet that person, you try to avoid that person. Suddenly that person comes in front of you, and sometimes you are searching a person, you will not find that person, and the person whom you are avoiding, he would come in front of you. So these are the tensions and problems of the life you also have experienced. If you have experienced, please write down below in comment box, give your feedback. And I'm discussing on different kind of things so that you would improve yourself in different ways. When we will discuss on different topics, on different situations, I think this is good to learn new vocabulary, to know about new things, and to get some kind of messages from our spoken English or from our discussion or speech. So if you want to learn English language, you should talk on different topics, select some kind of topics and speak on that topic for 5 minutes. Set the time, because in my previous videos I used to speak for 8 minutes. I had set the goal that I will not end the video until 8 minutes, and consistently I made more than 100 videos duration of 8 minutes, more than 8 minutes. So when you will set a goal, then you will try to do your struggle to achieve those goals. Hope you find this video useful. In next video I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me, and before leaving, please subscribe to this channel so that you never miss our other videos which are uploaded on this channel. Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.